How to make money with affiliate marketing. Welcome to Passive Income and Beyond. In today's video, we're going to explore how to make money with affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick a niche you're passionate about and that has a good selection of affiliate programs. Step 2. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for reputable affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Commission Junction. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Write blog posts, create videos, or develop social media content that promotes your affiliate products in a valuable way. Step 4. Use SEO strategies. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic. Step 5. Build an email list. Collect emails from your audience to send them valuable content and affiliate offers. Step 6. Track your results. Use analytics tools to monitor your affiliate marketing performance and adjust your strategies accordingly. Step 7. Stay compliant. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationships clearly to maintain trust with your audience. We hope these tips help you succeed in affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips and strategies. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.